Work hat on, boy. We ready to go to work. I got some. I'm gonna do a little review. I'm just gonna chop some wood up. Really, that's all I'm doing. So I wanted to kind of just let you guys see how the old survival hatchet works that I got. It's a pry bar, hammer, hatchet, nail puller, all in one. So I'm gonna chop some wood up. Got my mic set up right here so you guys get a little bit better sound quality, because the speaker doesn't work on my phone, and my other phone is I sent it off a few days ago to get covered under warranty because the charger port broke. So I'm using my one of my old phones. So make it easier, this is a small little hatchet, pretty lightweight. I'm going to use a hammer. I'm going to do a couple cuts first, just to see how it chops. So I'm going to split some wood. I got to get an axe, but I haven't tried this thing out yet, so I'm going to go for it. Now, the reason why I'm going to use a hammer is because I got to hold the wood in place, so I don't want to bust my hand. You can use either a sledge. This is like a 4 or 5 pound sledge. I also got a 3 pound hammer as well. So I'm gonna split some wood, man. That way I can get the stuff drying out. I'm gonna be building my forge here soon, so it's not do too bad. Gotta get it started. Just like that. Not too bad. I want to get some of these pieces drying out, so let's get it started. Shit, I might not use the hammer actually. So far, so good. I got a bunch of wood. We got this big ass cypress trees around here, the big evergreens up here, and big ass branch fell off, so that's a big one right there. This one I split the other day, actually. I didn't use the actually, no, I didn't split this one. This is actually a piece I just cut off square. This is the end piece of the branch that snapped off, so use a hammer for this one. This one's pretty thick. It's a good 10-20 pounds. Get all the stuff busted down. Make sure you wear your safety glasses too, because get shit in your eye, boy, you ain't gonna be having a good day, I tell you that. Pretty straightforward video I'm gonna be doing here. Oh, we got a knot there, so this one doesn't want to split that good. We're gonna go ahead and just, and this stuff I broke down a while ago, so still sounds pretty wet. Yeah, it's pretty wet, so split it up, let it dry. Just dry up. Piece of sheet metal. Throw that in the old metal bin. This is my forge bin. All my metal I'm going to be forging into knives and blades and shit. So good wood right there. You can smell it. You can smell it. It smells great. So as you guys can see, it's not bad. If you're gonna buy a little survival hatchet like this, since it's got the hammerhead on it, keep a hammer with you so you can split wood. Other than that, it's a good little piece. I'm gonna try all the functions on it. So let me pause this. I'm gonna run a nail in there and try. I'm gonna run a couple nails in there, and I'm gonna try the nail puller. Actually, you know what? Nah, we're gonna chop wood in this. We're chopping wood. That's another video. We're gonna do a feature for every, or we're gonna do a video for every feature of this. That's what we're gonna do. I'm really wanting to get a nice. That splits are pretty nice. I mean, shit, I busted off a nice little chunk there, so I'm gonna break them down into smaller pieces, but because I want them to dry faster. Other than that, as you can see, a couple taps with the hammer splits it right down the middle. So I think I got this for like $5 to $10 off Amazon or eBay. Not bad. It's pretty nice. It smells great. Stuff dried out. Let's try the other hammer. 3-pound. It's a cross peen hammer. I bought it from my blacksmith. Really doesn't take too much effort, just a couple whacks with the hammer and you bust her off clean. Nice thin little pieces. Good. Ooh. And that's why you don't want to do this with your hand and hold it, because this fucker will go right through there. On some pieces. Not all pieces, but some pieces. There's a nice piece that I busted. Pretty nice. Let's bust it down again. 3 more times. Going half and then in half. We want this quarters. Here we go. Kick her off to the side. Right here. If you had to, you can hand hammer it. I don't recommend that though. See that? Takes a little more effort than a big one. Than a, full-size axe or a hatchet, but really it's not bad. I like it. That was a hard spot because of that knot. That's going to make it real tough, but we'll split it again. Yeah, there we go. Couple love taps. Run it down. Boom. We'll have a nice pile. Then I got a bunch of 4-foot logs as well. I was going to build like some, I ain't going to tell you guys about that. So. Yeah, so it works pretty good. It works pretty good. I like it. Let's take a listen to some of these pieces of wood. A little bit wet, but it's already been drying out for a few months. So not bad. Look at this little triangle piece I cut, eh? Eh? Not too bad. Yep. Just harvesting some wood. Some wood out of the yard. Now one thing I'll say about this that I've noticed already is that you guys can see here the ridges. You could probably add some super glue in there because the handle will slide out just from these couple little things. Other than that, not a bad piece. It's still square, so it's not bent or anything like that. I don't expect it to bend. So, but we'll see. Found it. Actually, let me do this. Let me try and knock some of this stuff off here. Okay, so yeah, you probably will want to go ahead and put some glue on there because it's extending on me. The handle's coming out. So I'm going to drop some super glue in there. Other than that, I'm liking it. Pretty dull though. So if you're good with sharpening knives, you can make it pretty nice. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's pretty overcasty and cloudy today, but you don't want to let that stop you from getting stuff done, because you'd be waiting all year around here if you're going to wait for the rain and the cloud to go away. That smells great. It smells great. Yeah, that's got a big knot in this one, so it takes a little effort to get through this guy. But when you switch to a 5-pound sledgehammer, it knocks it down through about 1, 2, 3 hits. So 3-pounder takes a little more effort, but when you got a 5-pounder, should knock her loose. Okay, so let me show you guys. About 5 minutes worth of time here. I've got some decent pieces here, so I could bust them all down even more, but I ain't doing all that. Actually, I will, but let me bring you guys up close. The mic. So this is what I got in the time of my video. I got some more down here. I got a bunch more over here on the side. Let me show you. So this was like a 30-foot branch. You know, you guys can see that. But I'm gonna be splitting all this stuff up. I cut it into 4-foot logs. Basically, I planned on maybe cutting them down again, but that's basically it. Just wanted to do a review of the Hatchet, my little cheap eBay baby Hatchet. You know, so cheap, you got to give it a shot, right? It's worth a shot. Looks like we are not in focus here. Let's focus. Focus. All right. Anyways. Busting down some more. He's got some weight to him too, so. Get them down into pieces where they're just, yeah, it's pretty dull, but with some work, you know, that could be worked out. So, for the price, I think it's worth the buy. You're getting a multi-use tool. You're getting a nail puller there. You're getting a pry bar here / nail puller. You're getting a blade, and you're getting a hammer. So, you had to chop wood and then build something. Boom, you got it in one tool. It's pretty lightweight, so it's going to take a lot of swings. But, I mean, I don't think this would be a problem driving a nail. So let me put it on pause and see if I can find a couple nails. Alright, we are back. We're going to go ahead and drive a couple nails, and then we're going to go ahead and I even found a live round in my my nail bin, 22 long rod. Anyways, so I'm going to do a 2-inch. I'm going to do a 2-inch nail, 2.5. Then I'm going to do a 1-inch nail. I'm going to drive them and then take them out, or pry them out. So, throw on a pair of gloves. Safety first, keep them glasses on. I'm telling you, you get a wood chip or metal shaving in your eye, you can be crying. And you can be like, man, I should have listened to him, man. Got me some bacon, meat, potato, avocado, rice, bacon, beef, sour cream and avocado cheese burritos, man. Boy, I be cooking. I be doing it. Anyways, let's go ahead and pound some nails. So we're gonna run them in. We're gonna run them into this piece here. Okay. I'm gonna run it right into the bark. It's actually not bad. Doesn't help the nails crooked, but so we'll skip that. So 1-inch nail. Tap it in a little bit. That we'll go ahead and drive it. See how many taps. 3 taps, and that nail is all the way in there, right there. You see that? Now let's try the nail puller. So, here's the pry bar. Push it like that. Let me get it so you guys can see this. Boom. Okay. Slipped out. Alright. Well, I might have got it too far in there, but you guys get the point. If the nail was in there, I could dig it out. Maybe dig it out or something like that, but here we go. Oh, nope. Okay, so the reason why this nail won't come out, probably, is because these are really low quality thin nails. So as you guys can see, it pulled it up a little bit, but the head of the nail actually came off. So let me try a different nail. I'm going to drive a different, heavier nail. We're going to run with this guy right here. Oh, he's a tough one. Okay, so this is 1.5 inches. It's 1.5 inches. Numbers, I don't know, it's like a, I believe they call these like 10 penny nails. So I'm going to keep this video under 20 seconds. I got about 45 seconds to drive this and pull it out. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick, and we're killing it. Okay, so we're going to run it in. Whoa. Drives it in, no problem. Let's see if we can get this thing out. Okay. There we go. Shave some of this bark off. I shaved some bark off, so now I can get access to the nail. Let's try the pry bar. Oh wow, on a piece like this, boy. Boom. Came right out. Okay? So, that's it, folks. That's it. We're at 20 minutes. We're done. I appreciate you guys hanging in there and watching. LSPR Nation, if you guys want to see anything else, you want to see some other videos, you want to learn some new stuff, or feel free to like and drop some comments. Okay? I'm out here trying to produce content. I don't feel like I'm running out of ideas. I got plenty of videos to do. I just gotta find time to do it. So, appreciate you guys watching LSPR Nation. You guys have a good one.